As Israel increases its attacks in Lebanon, Iran's acting foreign minister Ali Bagheri Kani has arrived in Lebanon for his first official diplomatic visit since his predecessor's death in a helicopter crash last month. The visit comes at a crucial time as the conflict between Israel and Hezbollah, a Lebanese Shiite terror group and ally of Iran, intensifies along the Lebanese-Israeli border. The recent escalation in hostilities saw Israeli drones targeting a car deep inside Lebanon and warplanes raiding several districts in the south, including Qathariyat al-Raiz, Hanain, and the Rihan mountain. In response, Hezbollah retaliated by targeting a military vehicle in Mount Adir with guided missiles. The exchange of fire between Israel and Hezbollah underscores the volatile situation along the Lebanese-Israeli border, with tensions escalating since the October 7 attack by Hamas on southern Israel, which triggered the war in the Gaza Strip. Israeli strikes in Lebanon's Bekaa Valley prompted Hezbollah's retaliation, resulting in casualties, including civilians. The violence has claimed the lives of at least 451 people in Lebanon, mostly fighters, and more than 80 civilians, according to an AFP tally. On the Israeli side, at least 14 soldiers and 11 civilians have been killed, according to the army. Meanwhile, Iran's diplomatic engagement in Lebanon signals its support for Hezbollah and its commitment to countering Israeli actions in the region. Bagheri Kani's meeting with Lebanese officials, including his counterpart Abdullah Bou Habib, emphasizes the close relations between Iran and Lebanon. In response to the escalating conflict, Lebanon seeks sustainable solutions to restore calm and stability to southern Lebanon. However, with tensions running high and violence continuing unabated, the situation remains precarious, raising concerns about the potential for a wider war in the region. Israel launched its brutal war on Gaza on October 7 last year after Palestinian resistance groups carried out a historic operation against the usurping regime in retaliation for its intensified atrocities against the Palestinian people. The Israeli military has also been conducting attacks against the Lebanese territories since then, prompting retaliatory strikes from Hezbollah on a nearly daily basis in support of the Palestinian people in the Gaza Strip. Hezbollah has pledged to keep up its retaliatory operations as long as the Tel Aviv regime continues its onslaught on Gaza. As Iran's foreign minister engages in diplomatic discussions in Lebanon, the international community closely monitors the development, hoping for a de-escalation of tensions and a peaceful resolution to the conflict between Israel and Hezbollah.